Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're going to solve LeetCode number 268, missing number. So we're given an array containing n distinct numbers taken from 0, 1, 2 up to n. And we need to find the one that is missing from the array. So first of all, I'm going to show you what the solution is, and then I'm going to tell you why this solution works, and we're going to also prove that the algebra in this formula is correct. So the first thing is, what is this solution doing? It's basically taking the formula for the sum of the first n natural numbers, including 0, and then it's removing the sum of our array that is given to us as an input. And so why does that give us the result? It's because we're basically saying, okay, what's the difference between the sum of our array and the sum of our array and the missing number? And obviously the difference to that is just the missing number. So that's why the solution is true. And now let's see, why does this formula work? So why is the formula for the sum of the first n natural numbers, including 0, so why is that n times n plus 1 all divided by 2? Why is that true? Why is this formula true? And so we're going to see why this is true with a visualization, right? So for example, let's say that we have 7 numbers, right? So we have the first number, which is 0, so we have nothing. Then we have the first, which is only a dot, then 2 dots, then 3 dots, and so on, right? So what we can do now is we can pair them up together. Like, we can take the last one and the first one and sum them up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one and this one, and we're going to sum them up together, right? So we take the 7th plus the 0th, so the last and the first, and what we get is 7, because 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay, so now we have consumed these two natural numbers, right? So we can take them out. And so now we're left with the last being 6 and the first being 1. So we have plus 6 plus 1, which is also 7, right? And so then we consume those. And now we have 5 plus 2, which is also 7. You see? You see why this is working? And so now we have 3 plus 4, which is also 7, indeed. So yeah, you can see that if every element was a 7, then the result would be just 7 times how many elements we have. But since to make the number, we have to pair up 2 of the numbers, then we need to divide that. We need to divide this by 2, right? So this is how the formula works, and this is maybe how you can remember it as well. So yeah, I'm just going to submit the solution to show you that it works. And this is a O of n time complexity solution and O of 1 space complexity, because we're not storing any array or any data structure. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and bye.